big mountain. I'm GoProing. What up, vlog? We're GoProing. Yeah. Going to some crazy trails on the road. Okay, down tree number 2, number 3, up. Tree number 99. No one needs to know where my secret stash is. Look at them all. Oh, that's a good one. All right. And here's a funny story. Out of the spirit of entrepreneurship, I found myself the next day selling these at the local farmer's market. Here's a picture for proof. Y'all smile for the vlog. Tree number 28. Little spring water. Ooh, it is cold, Kenny. You're out struggling on a long bike ride. You come out here and find yourself a nice spring. Ice cold. Ah. Get it, Kenny? It's gonna be an entire video of just like climbing over trees. That's super boring. I don't wanna watch these vlogs. All you do is run over trees. Limbo. No way, Kenny. You just gave me the courage to ride it. Jump on it. Jump on it. Come to a crazy downhill. Oh yeah! Oh, Kenny! Okay, this gotta look gnarly on the GoPro. Woo, 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 Kenny! right, turn right, turn right. Ooh, we may want to wait for him. Good. Yep. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my gosh! Oh, rodeo! That was so sketchy! Holy shit. I literally like had used all my skill right there. Smile for the GoPro. Yeah, Michael! Keep going! Kenny did it, come on! Hey, it was way easier the first time Kenny and I did this. It was not nearly.
I'm on the back of my tire.
Yeah, it's sketchy. Crikey, getting a little water.
This was actually
Woo! Wait, wait, wait. Kenny! Hang on. Rattling. Dude, I thought you were dead.
Oh my god, they killed Kenny!
came loose again and it was spinning around, flashed me in the eye all the way down.
I saw it like bouncing off the tree.
Yeah.
I'm like, that's gotta be like a wreck.
I'm literally like
Kenny's upside down.
Yeah.
upland down
Yeah.
the hill. No, literally it was spinning around and kept catching me in the eye and I had to stop to fix it.
I literally thought you were like dead.
Okay.
Oh yeah. See, I think this one's gnarlier.
I mean, I thought you were behind me the whole time.
No, I had to stop. All right, I can make it through the rest, I bet.
Here, you go first.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Wow!
Get out the way! I rode it!
Yeah!
I rode it!
Yeah, Dana!
Stay right.
Hey, right?
Yeah.
This water looks a little murkier.
I was gonna say, I might get like more hurt just trying to walk down it.
It's so sketchy. All right, good. Whoa, that didn't sound good. Oh yeah. Whoop, whoop. Woo! Oops, sorry, Michael.
You're good.
All right, hope you enjoyed another vlog. Thought you guys liked the last video, going through some crazy trails. Found some more crazy trails for y'all, and kept it fun, kept it kind of funny and crazy. Those trails were so steep and wet with a waterfall running through them that like not many riders could go through it. It's pretty tough. Kenny did pretty good. Everyone else made it through pretty safe, but that was a tough trail. Very, very tough.